Just wet my hands a little bit, and we're gonna apply the cleanser. I know a lot of people just kind of go like this and they rinse off. We want to make sure that you're working in the areas that are your problem areas. For example, my forehead is a problem area. I have a little bit of larger pores there, right in between my eyebrows. I also have large pores on my nose, and on my cheeks, my pores are a little larger, and my chin. So I really want to make sure that I am working this area, because we want to make sure that we're breaking down all the oil and that all the impurities are actually coming out. Sometimes you could even do a double cleanser if you wear makeup. I don't really wear makeup because I'm in front of the steamer a lot, so my pores are constantly opening with the steam. So I also like to use this. I like to use these better than the brushes, only because since they're better to clean, easier to clean. The brushes kind of tend to be deeper and harder to clean, where this one you could actually brush it. And it's also, the brushes tend to build your skin and make it a little bit thicker. So I want to make sure that I'm really working my problem areas. So I'm going to really work the product around those areas. A lot of people break down here around their sideburns because the hair builds up in the oils build up in the hair. So you want to make sure you're getting everything. And then you go ahead and rinse it off. And you want to use warm to cold water. You don't really want to be putting hot water in your face. That's just going to make it dehydrated. It's going to make your pores get more clogged because it's going to dry the dry skin in the pores. So you want to make sure that the water is just cool. And you want to always make sure you're using a new towel and cleaning your towels as well. So I went ahead and I cleansed. I did a really good job cleansing. I worked everything in. And now after cleansing, you normally want to go into your other products.